Hello founders, my name is Bystrik Stefak. I come from Slovakia, the heart of Europe, and I'm the founder of ONPASSIVE from July 2018. Yes, it is a very long time, but I'm very patient. No, I'm so impatient, but I really understand the process of our ONPASSIVE business, and I know that it is such a huge business that it needs some time, and you know that we are very close to our soft launch, and you must be happy that you are part of this business. It's a lifetime opportunity for each of us, and I love this business. I'm very proud that I have been a part of our leadership council, and I could help many people in our community, or co-founders community. And I'm very proud that I was in contact. I have been in contact with our great CEO Ash Mufareh by emails. Maybe it was daily in the contact, but for me was the best experience when I had a call with him. It was such as I have a call maybe with Steve Jobs, but this was much better because Ash Mufareh is a really great person, is a really great friend, and after his call I was very proud that I am part of this business, and I promote this very much from this moment in my country, Slovakia, and Czech Republic too. I have quite a big business in our small countries, and I'm very happy that I can help to so many people in my countries, because I don't know, I love people, I love work with people, and I want to help. And I know that people in my country need help very much. There are many poor people, and I know thanks to our business we can help everywhere, not only in my countries, but in all world. And I'm very happy that I can tell you something by this video, and I wish you a great life with our ONPASSIVE, because we changed our lives. We have a new lifestyle named ONPASSIVE, and be proud that you are part of this. Be happy that you are part of this, that you are the founder of ONPASSIVE. Thank you very much. Good luck, my friends.